Hi everybody, Kathy Tooley, CEO Tools for Success. Thank you so much for joining us. So let me ask you, I want to talk particularly to my compadres, my fellow teachers out there. Let me ask you something. When is the last time that you really felt like someone was listening to you and your needs and your professional development in your classroom? What would it look like for you if someone could come in and make you an even better teacher? Or what would it look like if you just felt like someone understood, that they had sat in your seat and they know what it is to be you and was willing to make you better? That's who we are at Tools for Success. We are honored, so honored, to get to step into schools, sit down with the lifeblood of the school, which is you, teachers, and give you tips, tricks, tools to make you better at what you do every single day. We're honored to do this, and we're honored to continue to be partners with so many schools every single day. So if you're listening to this and you're thinking, boy, I'd love some of those tips, my invitation is twofold. One, speak to your building level administrator, share our information, and see how we might help. But if even that's not an option, jump on this YouTube channel. We've got all kind of free resources here for you, because I know sometimes you just can't make it happen. But you know what? From one teacher to another, I will always have your back. That's what this channel exists for. This channel is here for you to be the very best teacher that your kids deserve. Thank you so much for always joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like and follow and share future videos, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Have a fantastic day.